Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to do a bicycle kick in FC26. All right, let's begin. To perform a bicycle kick, you first need to get the ball into the air. The easiest way is by crossing the ball to your striker. Use a high cross or a flare cross so the ball has enough height. On PlayStation, press L2 plus square. On Xbox, press LT plus X to send in a flare cross. Make sure your striker is positioned with their back, facing the goal. As the ball reaches your player, you need to flick it up to create space for the overhead kick. Press the right stick down, also known as R3, to pop the ball into the air. Timing is important here, so wait until the ball is close to your player. Once the ball is in the air, perform the shot. Hold L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox, then press the shoot button. This input triggers the bicycle kick animation. Practice the timing in skill games or offline matches for better consistency. So that's basically how you can do a bicycle kick in FC26. That's it for this video. Thanks.